Welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through the simple steps to forward a group message on WhatsApp using the PC app. Whether you're sharing important information or just passing along a funny meme, this guide will make the process quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to access your chats. If you haven't logged in yet, scan the QR code using your mobile app to sync your account. Next, navigate to the group chat where the message you want to forward is located. You'll see all your chats listed on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on the group to open it. Once inside the group chat, scroll through the messages to find the one you'd like to forward. When you've located it, right-click directly on the message. A small menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Forward. After clicking this option, you'll notice a forward icon appear. This typically looks like an arrow pointing to the right. Click on that forward icon to proceed. Now, a list of your contacts and chats will pop up. You can either scroll through this list or use the search bar at the top to quickly find the contact or group you want to send the message to. Select your desired recipient by clicking on their name. Finally, click on the Send button. And that's it. Your message has been successfully forwarded to the chosen contact or group. By following these steps, you'll be able to share messages effortlessly with others using WhatsApp on your PC. Thanks for tuning in, and happy messaging.